distinguished guests, the head of the USST, leader of Belt and Road Medical Device Innovation Alliance, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, ni hao, and good evening. As chairman of China-Pakistan Medical Association and as the chairman of China-Pakistan Health Corridor, I feel immense pleasure to address the Council Board as new member of the Belt and Road Medical Device Innovation Alliance. I'm honored to be able to come to USST for this wonderful event. And I can't help admiring the dynamic and prospective alliance which has created so many opportunities for future cooperation. I'm extremely honored today China 2020 Silk Road Friendship Award Organizational Committee. I very much appreciate this honor. Today is the historical day for cooperation in healthcare between China and Pakistan. Medical device and